We had an ice storm, extremely hard to walk, and a train coming. Try walking slowly, slipping and sliding here. That is some detailed graffiti, let me say. Whoa. Brrr. I don't believe that crossing there is working. Conductor's out there flagging it. Anybody see that log branch there sticking off the side? Always an interesting day. Yeah, we had quite the storm. You might be able to see some of the ice there hanging on some of these cars. It rained here for a good 12 hours overnight. 32 degrees the whole time. Now it's getting cold and everything is freezing, but all good. Could have been a lot worse had the temperature dropped a little bit lower when it was raining, but pretty normal for a springtime storm. Anyway guys, another awesome train video on my cell phone, as my camera will either be fixed, replaced, or however that's going to work, who knows. Do want to thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, make a comment below. We got a green Freddy. Brrr. Yeah, it's a little icy here. Check this out. A little icy. All the way back to my house. Ice.